Though summer still lingers, Nike is stepping into autumn with the Dunk Low SE Ochre, designed to match back-to-school energy and seasonal shifts. Dressed in collegiate brown tones with a leather and suede mix, this General Release edition combines rich textures with functional appeal. A gum sole offers traction and classic flair, while crisp white touches and a contrasting navy swoosh give the shoe a modern pop. This release breaks from the usual be true to your school schemes, nodding to tradition but carving out its own aesthetic lane. It's a perfect blend of everyday utility and street-ready style, just in time for cooler days ahead. While no official release date has been confirmed, the pair is expected to arrive soon on Nike.com at $125. With understated confidence and fall-forward color blocking, the Ochre Dunk Low is built for both the changing weather and the versatile needs of daily wearers.